In this video, you'll learn how to apply to work on Wecasa in the UK. This guide will walk you through the steps needed to start your application for various roles available on the platform, including cleaning, hairdressing, massage therapy, and beauty therapy. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wecasa website by entering www.wecasa.co.uk/pro in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Wecasa homepage dedicated to professionals seeking to join their platform. Next, look for a section that highlights the available roles. You will find categories for cleaning, hairdressing, massage therapy, and beauty therapy. Click on the category that aligns with your skills and interests to access more detailed information about the specific role. After selecting a role, review the requirements for applying. It is essential to be eligible to work as a self-employed individual in the UK. You will need a unique taxpayer reference number from HMRC, which is necessary for compliance with 2026 regulations. Make sure you have relevant certifications or proof of experience ready, as these will be required during the application process. Identity verification is another crucial step. Prepare to submit identification documents and undergo a police record check as part of the application. If you are currently on a student visa, be aware that it does not permit self-employment. However, if you hold a graduate visa, you can work independently for up to 2 years after completing your studies. Once you've gathered all necessary documents and confirmed your eligibility, return to the Wecasa application page. Follow the prompts to fill out your application form, ensuring that all information is accurate. After submitting your application, you may receive a confirmation email acknowledging receipt of your application, which indicates that the process is underway. As you wait a response, remember the benefits of working with Wecasa. You will enjoy flexible working hours, the ability to remain independent without exclusivity, and a free registration process with no hidden costs. Compensation ranges from £12.50 to £16 per hour before taxes, making it a competitive opportunity in the market.